How to address blue bloods to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with my little blue blood characters. They are royalty, Cinderella and Prince Charming, of course, and they would be considered very blue-blooded, right? This is an expression that's been around since the 1800s in English, but much older in Spanish. The Spanish nobilities, those Spanish royals, had a saying called sangre azul, and it meant blue blood in Spanish. And they believed that if they kept the bloodlines pure, if they didn't intermarry and breed with the darker skinned Moors, their skin would appear blue. And to them, blue and being able to see their veins through their white skin was something to be admired. The dogs are going crazy because my daughter and son just arrived from Utah, and so they're a little excited. So I'm going to run through this quickly. Let's talk about blue bloods and how we might use it in our organizations, in our business. A lot of people believe that people that are born with royal blood or royal lineage are better than other people. I beg to differ. They also believe, a lot of people, that they are elitists, or somehow because of their standing in society or rank or their position in an organization that they're better than other people. Again, I beg to differ. Some people think that they're entitled to special treatment just because they're alive or they exist or they ask for it. I don't know where this mentality's come from, but I beg to differ. People, and I actually think that the online world has contributed to this in a kind of negative way, a positive way for a lot of people, but a negative way, that it brings out some of the worst behavior in human beings. The free line, they call it. We're always moving the free line and giving everything away for free and providing tremendous value for people for free. And some people, very few, very rarely, people expect more than they expect you to give away everything for free, which is ridiculous. We all need to make a living, right? Especially in our businesses. I can't think of a single business owner who hasn't at least had one customer experience or one non-customer experience where somebody came into their business demanding something or requesting something that they totally weren't entitled to, but they thought if they just asked, they would get it. Does that work sometimes? Sure it does. Should you do it? Depends on the situation, but probably in most cases not. I love to give things away to people and be charitable and kind and give away tons of free stuff, but to people that appreciate it, not people that expect it. And there's a fine line, but there's a big difference in the intention and the attitude and the behavior. I say in our organizations, we want to make sure that we are not acting entitled just because of our position in the organization, and that anyone else in our organization isn't acting that way either. Every single person that we touch and are involved with in our lives and in our organization is the same infinite human being that we are, and they deserve to be treated the exact way that we want to be treated. We can't treat people in ways that we don't expect to be treated. It's just not, we can try, but it's going to catch up with us. Our beliefs don't make us better than other people. Our financial situation, what we've achieved in life doesn't make us better than another human being. It just makes us different, and it means we've had different experiences than they have. If we ever treat our customers like we're better than they are, guess what? They won't be our customers for long. If we treat our team members and partners and associates like we're better than they are, they won't stay with our organization and work with us for long. So it's really not only in our best interest, but as a human being, but as a business owner, to make sure that we are treating people the way we want to be treated, and that we're building the organizations and the culture that we want to create and see duplicated in the world, and that people that are in alignment with us and have the same values and beliefs and thoughts and feelings as us join together with us to create a bigger, more positive impact on the world. So curious, are you a blue blood? Have you ever run into a situation or people that expect everything for free from you and from your organization? They totally discount your decades of experience or years of learning or expertise and think that you should just do everything for them for free because they're broke or they don't have anything or they've had a bad lot in life. Guess what? Every business owner you have has struggled and gone, or have ever met, has struggled and gone through so much to achieve what they have. And we do love to help people and give back. I swear entrepreneurs and business owners are the people that are going to change this world and make the world a better place. It's not going to be our politicians. So we want to do that by setting the example and being a good example for other people and other businesses. That's it. That's our idiom for today. We actually talked about a related idiom like 547 days ago. Upper crust, when people think they're superior to other people. Elitist, the whole people need to think for other people because they're not smart enough to think for themselves. Kind of like our politicians treat us sometimes. Totally unacceptable. All right, that's our idiom for today. Have a great day. I'll be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to grow your business today? Take care.